Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to integrate Zapier with Microsoft Outlook. So it's 2023 and I decided to create new videos about integrations since New Year's and new UI on the Zapier. Some things changed, so let's do it again. So we are gonna click on Create Zap once we are at zapier.com. We hit that Create Zap button and we are starting with a trigger. As you can see, this UI is a little bit different. On the top left corner, we can still change the name of this Zap if you want to save it for further purposes. And we want to start with a trigger app, which is monday.com. Right now, we have to pick an event. For example, new item in board. We hit continue. Now we have to choose an account on monday.com. So we are going to pick the account that you want on which you want to make the integration happen. Continue. Right now we have to pick a board. I can't at the moment since I'm not logging into the account and probably the account expired because of the inactivity. So pick the board ID from your workspace and hit continue. Then we have to go to actions. In actions, we want to go to Outlook option and we hit the Microsoft Outlook option. Don't worry, it's not premium option. It's still considered in the free package. So Microsoft Outlook. And now we have to choose an event. So new item in board in monday.com will create an event in Microsoft Outlook. Right now, let's pick an account. We hit continue and then calendar, just like that. And you have to fill it up all of the options: start date and time, end date, all the event, false or true, description, and show me as free or busy. Once you complete all of these options from above, you can test the trigger. If you are going to test the trigger, the outcome should be one of two things: that you are able to create this app or not. At the moment I can't because I can't fill up the setup trigger option and the board ID, so this integration won't work for me, but it will work for you. You can go like just this. Start date or subject, okay. Start date. Yeah, I have to go and set up the trigger. So, but for you, it will be no problem. Other than that, you will publish your Zap and you are good to go. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.